This massive facility produces tons of cleaning power every single day. The process begins with the arrival of essential chemical ingredients in bulk tankers.
Soda ash. Soda ash is the dry backbone of the washing powder formula.
Strict quality checks ensure the raw materials meet safety standards.
Precise weighing of dry ingredients determines the effectiveness of the powder.
He was pulverized. The crutcher mixes solids and liquids into a thick paste called slurry. Surfactants are the active cleaning agents that attack grease and stains. That's frontman. The slurry must be smooth and free of lumps before the next stage. Powerful pumps push the heavy paste up to the top of the tower. The spray drying tower is the heart of the washing powder factory. Nozzles turn the slurry into a fine mist that meets a blast of hot air. As the droplets fall, they dry instantly into hollow, lightweight granules.
The result is a blizzard of base powder falling to the collection point.
The base powder must be perfectly dry to prevent clumping in the box. Air currents transport the light powder to the finishing area. Vibrating screens remove any large clumps to ensure a smooth texture.
Heat-sensitive ingredients are added after the drying process is complete. Enzymes are added to break down tough biological stains.
Colored speckles are added to give the powder its signature look.
A fine mist of perfume infuses the powder with a fresh laundry scent.
Gentle mixing ensures the speckles and perfume are evenly distributed.
Density checks ensure the box is filled to the correct level.
The foam height must meet strict specifications for consumer satisfaction.
The pH level is balanced to clean clothes without damaging the fabric. The packaging hall is a symphony of high-speed automation.
Huge rolls of printed film are loaded to create the detergent pouches.
The machine forms the flat plastic into a tube ready for filling.
Gravity fills the pouch with the exact weight of powder before sealing. Heat bars melt the plastic to create a watertight seal. The finished bags travel rapidly towards the secondary packing area. Automated scales reject any bag that is even slightly underweight. Safety scanners ensure no foreign objects are inside the bag.
Seal integrity is tested to prevent leaks during transport.
Machines fold flat cardboard into sturdy boxes for the larger sizes. Vibration helps settle the powder to fit the required weight into the box.
Carry handles are attached for consumer convenience on heavy bags. Smaller pouches are bundled together for wholesale distribution.
Middle-aged Caucasian females pack the master cartons to ensure the products are secure.
Strong tape seals the shipping cases for their journey to the store. Robots perform the heavy lifting to stack pallets with precision. Stretch wrap stabilizes the tall stack of boxes for safety.
The finished goods are moved to the warehouse for storage.
Digital tracking ensures every batch is accounted for.
The factory also produces liquid detergent for modern washing machine.
Capping machines apply the perfect amount of torque to seal the bottles. Labels are applied at high speed to identify the brand and instructions. Real-world washing tests confirm the powder removes stains effectively. Regular maintenance keeps the complex machinery running smooth.
Scrubbers clean the exhaust air to protect the environment. Water is a precious resource that is treated and recycled on site.
The finished product is loaded onto trucks for nationwide distribution.
A complex logistics network delivers the powder to stores.
The product arrives at the retail store, ready for the shelf.
Bright packaging helps the product stand out to shoppers. Consumers trust the brand to keep their clothes clean.
The powder is finally put to work in the home laundry room.
The powder dissolves quickly to release the cleaning agents.
The result is fresh, clean clothes, free of stains.
Modern packaging is designed to be recyclable.
Thanks for watching how washing powder is made.